10 Brindleyplace is the largest wholesale refurbishment of an office building in Birmingham in recent years.
It's in a prime location in Brindleyplace in central Birmingham. It's one of the biggest refurb projects undertaken in the UK currently.
The project started as a Cat A refurbishment of Building 10, and throughout the process it has snowballed and grown.
We combined 2 buildings into one.
10 Brindleyplace consisted of office spaces only. 8 Brindleyplace consisted of what was known as the Seiko apartments. We knocked through the 2 buildings to make one big open floor space.
Create some of the largest floor plates in the city.
The vision for the project is to deliver a sustainable project.
This building will be Birmingham's first Fitwel accredited building. We are going to achieve BREEAM Excellent and WiredScore.
It is to provide a space which is versatile but also allows for more efficient day-to-day working.
It was going to be a smart building. It was going to be ahead of its time in technology.
So we're implementing the Smart Spaces platform, and this will enable us to be able to see live energy use of all of the different systems within the building, fine-tune that and minimise energy wastage. So this is a back-to-frame refurbishment in the truest sense of the term. We've carried out a full replacement of the facades.
Partly to improve the energy performance, the thermal performance of the envelope, but also to give the building a brand new look.
Full replacement of all the M&E systems. And by doing so, we've reduced energy consumption by more than 60%.
There's been a very big focus on well-being, so we've put a gym in the building, over 100 cycle racks. There's also a cycle maintenance shop and also added a climbing wall.
And I think another aspect which is really unique is the excellent roof terrace that's been installed.
It's a project where there's been great challenges.
The biggest challenges for working on a building like this is logistics. With any city centre project, logistics becomes an issue in terms of being able to feed and supply materials to the floor plates.
Working with a building of this nature is understanding the building. So what's the building made of? How's it going to perform?
When we have an existing frame, it's really difficult to choose where we put new risers or put new builders works through the slab.
To overcome challenges on a project of this calibre and the size of project, collaboration is absolutely paramount.
Making sure that not only us as Wilmot Dixon, but the supply chain are working to the same goal, to the same target.
Really, it was clear from the start that it was going to be a great relationship with a lot of collaboration.
From the very off, we've worked with Wilmot Dixon Interiors very closely. We've had a collaborative approach with them, which has helped with the job running smoothly.
As a structural engineer, the area where we have the most influence is in reducing the embodied carbon for the development. When buildings are first built, there's a huge amount of embodied carbon which is embedded into that building. So we worked very closely with the customer to work out how we could reuse the existing building.
We've installed a green roof on level 7. We've installed 2 green walls which have a self-irrigation system. We've installed PV panels. We have installed electric car charging points in the basement, and we have installed rainwater harvesting.
For me, buildings of this level and standard present great opportunity to Wilmot Dixon Interiors.
Good design has never been so important in offices. There's a real desire to find the best space, the most sustainable space, the space with the best amenities.
To be able to have our name to a landmark building, I just think it speaks kudos for our abilities as a business, but also as individuals that can deliver day to day. My hopes for the future is that building users will love this building. They will see the hard work that's been put into this building.
We've tried to create something here with a point of difference and really think about the communal spaces and deliver the best quality with the best amenities for the building occupiers.
This building has really allowed us to show our abilities to deliver complex projects, but to deliver them to a high standard. But I also think the end user can see that we do everything and complete everything with pride.